Welcome to this project. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a custom wall decoration using a laser cutting machine and a sheet of plywood. The first step is design. Before cutting, I prepared the artwork on the computer. The design needs to be clean and precise because the laser follows every single line. This is the stage where you can experiment with shapes, patterns, and styles depending on the kind of decoration you want to achieve. Once the design is finalized, I upload it into the laser cutting software. Here I can adjust the settings, such as the size of the piece, the cutting depth, and the speed of the laser. Getting these settings right is important for both clean cuts and safety. Now it's time to cut the material. I'm using plywood for this project because it's affordable, lightweight, and strong enough to create durable wall art. The plywood sheet is placed carefully inside the laser cutting machine. I make sure it's flat and positioned correctly before starting. As the laser cutter begins, you can see how it slowly traces the design, cutting through the wood with incredible precision. The process is fascinating to watch the laser move steadily, producing detailed lines and shapes that would be very difficult to achieve by hand. For this project I am using 6mm plywood. After the cutting is complete, I carefully remove the pieces from the machine. At this point, you can really see the pattern take shape. Sometimes there may be a bit of residue or burn marks on the edges, which is completely normal. A little sanding or wiping is usually enough to clean it up. Now I will cut the third part of wall decoration. My laser plexiglass is quite scratchy. I probably change it in future to get cleaner videos. For finishing touches, you can choose to paint, stain, or leave the plywood natural. I personally like the natural wood texture. It adds a warm, handmade feel to the decoration. But adding color or a clear coat of varnish is a great way to protect the wood and enhance its look. This time we will paint it black. This step is very satisfying because the decoration starts to come to life. I apply double-sided tape to each decorative detail to attach it to the wall later. The decoration can also be glued to the wall, but I personally prefer double-sided tape. And here is the final result, a unique, handmade wall decoration that was created entirely with the help of a laser cutting machine and a simple sheet of plywood. Projects like this are not only fun to make but also a great way to personalize your living space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this project, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who love DIY and creative design. More laser cutting projects are coming soon, so stay tuned.